Hello again, dear friends. You are watching another Arduino training video. This video is the 5th video of the series. I hope it will be useful and understandable information for you. Let's get to the point. In the last video, we activated a light by taking a controlled output voltage from Arduino's digital pins. Now we will learn and test the ability of digital pins to be input pins. Actually, we won't do anything very different, only this time we will use a switch to turn the light on and off. Let's go to the necessary materials. Data and power cable for the Arduino. Arduino Uno R3. Breadboard. 1 push button, whether 4 or 2 legs. 1 LED, color does not matter, I used red. 22 and 10k ohm resistors. And jumper cables. Now we can start writing the first code. First let's define the pins. I will connect the LED to pin 2 and the button to pin 3. I define pin 2 as output pin and pin 3 as input pin. Here the working logic of the button will be as follows. We will connect from the plus line of the Arduino to one leg of the button and from the other leg to pin 3. In this way, when the button is pressed, the Arduino will detect the electrical input on pin 3 and perform the operation we have determined. Now let's define what happens when the button is pressed. I want the LED to light up when the button is pressed. We will use the if-else structure for this. First, we will tell the Arduino to output on pin 2 if there is voltage on pin 3, i.e. if we press the button, i.e. to light the LED. Here you should pay attention to the parenthesis structure. A small error, a missing parenthesis, etc. will cause the code to not work correctly. The digital read command means to check the position on the specified pin. Here we will use 2 equal signs. There are areas where only 1 equal sign is used, that's another topic. We tell the Arduino to look at pin 3, if it is equal to high we should write an output voltage to pin 2. For this we write digital write, 2, high, inside the curly brackets. I made a mistake here, I should have written 3 instead of 2. Let's fix this and move on. Yes, our codes are ready, let's build the circuit. As always, I connected to the breadboard by plugging the red wire to the 5-volt power pin of the Arduino and the black wire to GND. I connected the short leg of the red LED, the negative pole, to the negative line of the breadboard. We will feed the positive leg from pin 2 of the Arduino. We should also connect a 22k ohm resistor in series between the positive leg and the pin to prevent the LED from being damaged by overvoltage. Let's add our button to the circuit. For those who do not know how to use the button, I use a 4-legged button. If we cross-connect the leg structures, the button is designed to light up when pressed. Here I connected the upper left leg of the button directly to pin 3 and the lower right leg to the 5-volt line from the Arduino. So when I press the button, the voltage goes to pin 3. Now actually our circuit is okay, it should work logically, but first let's test it to understand some things. Let's check the code and upload it. If you paid attention, the LED lit up as soon as you loaded the code. It shouldn't be like this. Here we have not made any mistakes in the code or circuit. The only reason for this is that we did not use a pull-down resistor. What is pull-down? Arduino is a sensitive system that reads a value in millivolt levels. All the electronic devices around us emit electromagnetic waves or interference, even if we don't see it. And Arduino can detect this interference and thinks that the button has been pressed. So how should we use the pull-down resistor and what does it do? Here I will connect a 10k ohm resistor in series between pin 3 and the GND line as pull-down. In this way, unnecessary signals, interference, that is, other information that is not 5 volts, coming to the Arduino will be directly. Yes, I think it will work the way we want it to work now. I downloaded the code and the LED doesn't light up because I don't press the button. Let's try pressing the button. Yes, very good, it lit up when I pressed the button. But now even if I take my hand off the button the LED doesn't turn off. We will fix this in the code, because we didn't tell the Arduino to turn off the LED when the button is not pressed. First, to better understand the importance of the pull-down resistor, let's remove it and run the circuit again. When I do not connect the resistor, as soon as I start the Arduino, the LED lights up and does not react to the button in any way. Now let's add the necessary code for the LED to turn on when the button is pressed and turn off when it is not pressed. For this, we only write else, that is, if not connected, and write digital write, to, low, in curly brackets. Notice which parentheses I put the addition between. With the if-else commands, we can write the command we want to Arduino with the appropriate circuit elements. For example, we can connect another LED, or a motor or another vehicle to the circuit and control it with a button. I just want to turn the light on and off. Yes, let's install the code and watch. Now it's the way I wanted it. Yes, friends, we have come to the end of this video. I will try to learn as much as I can and share it with you. I am waiting for your ideas and advice in the comments. If the video was useful for you, I would be happy if you subscribe and like it if you are not subscribed. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy.